How to link an image in Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple it is to put a link under an image and make it clickable into your Squarespace website. So we are going to head over squarespace.com, sign in for our account, and then we're going to head over the account dashboard directly. Once we have did that, we're going to find, as you can see here, the website. Click on go to the website, and then we're going to wait for the website editor to load up. Now, what we're going to do basically is going to be very simple. We're going to find the page where we are going to put our image and also link, and then we're going to select it. In my case, I'm going to use the home page. Click on edit. Once we have did that, we're going to find all the elements that are composing our website. Select the right section that you want to add the image to. Basically, the image is going to be added as a block. Click on add block. For example, I'm going to add it from here. Image. Then we're going to put it as much as the grid let us do. For example, here, as you can see, when I want to stretch or modify the size of the image, the grid will show up. Now I'm going to insert an image. I'm going to import only from the library. We're going to find here one image, so we're going to make it distinguishable like that. So wait for it. I'm going to put the design of the specific image as fill. This is the first thing. Now what we're going to do is to have the edit link for that image. As you can see, if I click on the image, we are going to find the, as you can see, image editor. We're going to have the edit image, and we can go ahead also and attach the link from here. Or we can go ahead and click on it and put a link from here. So it is going to be the same thing, but we have two ways. I'm going to click on attach link. Then we are going to have this drop-down menu for choices. We can go ahead and attach URLs, files, emails, phones, or we can go ahead and click simply on the field here and choose from the main navigation links, hidden navigation, and also some more pages like anchors and etc. Now, you can go ahead and put a link. For example, I'm going to have maybe Google. So we are going to have the link of Google, paste it here, and boom. So when you click on the image, it will take you directly to Google or the link that you have put. If you want to edit the link, click on edit. If you want to copy the link, click on here. And if you want to remove the link, click on remove link, and here you go. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon in the next one.